Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Demolisher of Lies. Here it is. So the National Weather Service has officially declared this a blizzard. I got the notification only just recently. We are experiencing frequent wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour at this time, at the moment. Several wind gusts, of which happening at 30, but greatest and most frequent wind gusts right now so far have been about 40 miles per hour. Road conditions are complete trash. While I was at work, there was a white car that was stuck for over total of over 30 minutes and had to be towed out. So I hope that they are all okay. So we're taking it easy on the roads. My work shift is done. I don't have to go anywhere today and nowhere else. We're looking good in terms of not having to deal with this for the rest of the day. And when I go back to work tomorrow, this whole storm should be over and done with. That guy came out of nowhere. I said that guy came out of nowhere.
Yeah.
That guy has his window open. Who puts their window open in the middle of this kind of storm? Dropped my book. There's a snowplow. Looks like they see you. Oh man. Yeah, just look at the roads. What? Yeah. Yeah, they got to attach plows too, because this is a very intense storm, and they need all the help they can get with snowfall rates being pretty high. And the blowing snow makes it all go in all sorts of areas. Got a baby stroller on the side of the road. Wow. Got a bit of a deep ditch there. And it looks like somebody was stuck there previously. Oh, I think there's a wind gust coming. Yep. Yeah, the winds are up a bit. You can see it spinning around ahead of us. that car's kind of buried.